Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we will have our favorite phone again, the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And we're gonna connect it to this monitor, this keyboard, and this mouse, and use it for video editing, office work, and gaming. Well, with what I have, we will try all three of them in front of you by the help of this just cheapo Belkin dongle, whatever you call it. It has a USB input, Ethernet, VGA, and HDMI. Goes back to a USB-C, as you see right there, and it has a USB-C input. To power it up, you can do it straight up from here, but it will use a lot of your battery. To power it up, I'm just gonna use a regular 65-watt USB-C charger that I got it from my Lenovo Chromebook, and let's go ahead. And this monitor, by the way, it's one of those old HP's LA2306X from 2012. It doesn't even have an HDMI port, so let's go ahead and connect it. And we have to insert our passcode, and at this point your phone, you can use it as a regular, as you would use it to make calls and whatnot. The phone does not interfere with this monitor. This becomes its own, what they call it, DEX, which DEX becomes like it's a separate computer, uses resources from your Note 20 Ultra, but acts as if it's separate. Let's say I'm locking my phone. As you see, the monitor didn't change. So without wasting more time, let's go to a game. I just have this PUBG from a few other videos that we tried, and I put it on pause. I don't know if it stays on pause, so it looks like it doesn't. So we're gonna restart it. Now I don't know how this game really functions, so you guys might know better than me in what I'm doing here or how this works, and I'm just gonna leave it at that, so you know the game works. And what games work or not, I don't know, because as you know, I'm not really a gamer to know everything, so I'll just leave that part to you. And as per me, for this test, this does it. I'm not gonna let it launch to the whole game because I don't want to get banned if I need other tutorials. I'll just click my start menu, click on it, and close it. And as you see, we are back to the main screen. Now let's try a video editor. Let's go here and right there. Let's try to add any video. You can do video edit, or you can do a time-lapse video on this particular Filmora trial, whatever. I'm not gonna pay because I'm just using it for this tutorial, this video. But yes, I use Filmora on my main computer to edit the videos you guys see. And on this one, I'm just gonna grab one of the old videos or scrap video that I had left over that I edited before with a 5G modem. And just to let you know, yes, it works. And let's say you have functions right here. You have trim, you have music, you can add text. You can add text with different fonts. You can just type. Let me put something here. On the text. As you see, you change the fonts of that text, and yeah, pretty much that's it. And you can click this check mark here to save. Or, well, I'm just showing you that it's possible to edit on this on the phone and wherever you want to go. If you have a even smaller monitor, you have kind of half of a laptop with you. If you want to, if you don't have anything else, this phone is more than capable of doing that. And let's close this one. I'm not gonna export anything. I'm not gonna do all that because I don't really want to bore you with all of it. Let's say we want to put it on just, I'm going to leave it 720 because I don't have a premium account. But yes, as you see here, it works. Right now it's supposed to be rendering, but I'm not gonna let it finish because I don't really have time for that. You can use Office. You can use even Lightroom, Adobe Lightroom. And as you see here, let's go to some pictures. And let's say you want to just mess with this picture, which is hilarious that I got this picture. And we go here. You can change through it. You can increase whatever, upgrade to premium. I'm not gonna do that because I don't have that, but you can do even Adobe Lightroom on your Note 20. And let's close it. This is Office stuff. I just have an open Office. I don't really have a premium account for Microsoft Office because I think they ask for a premium account when you try to use this kind of stuff. So I'm not gonna go there. And let me just open a document, whatever. This is PDF. That's for a whirlpool, whatever. But yeah, it works. And you can click stuff through it to change, to resize, to reshape, to retype. Woo! And that's pretty much it. And let's go to, let's say, YouTube. And let's see how it opens it. Let's open full screen. Let's go to my own channel. And let's open any video. Let's say I want to open this one. And yes, it works. You can open full screen. Here's the volume up and down. And you can hear me. Yeah, the sound is coming from the phone. But you can as well, on the same way, on this phone, you know, it accepts multiple Bluetooth connections at once. So, if you have one, you can connect a probably smaller Bluetooth keyboard, a Bluetooth mouse. This one has a dongle, it's not Bluetooth. A Bluetooth headphones, and just have everything wireless. You don't need the dongle that I have here at all. And just, you need the Belkin port here, connected to a monitor, and that's all. Or, optionally, you can connect one of these ports. Such as this one right here. This one is from Anchor. None of these companies are, by the way, and by any means, sponsoring this video or this channel. I bought them with my own money. It's a USB-C to HDMI video port or video cable. You can optionally connect the same from your Note 20 Ultra to a monitor that has HDMI capabilities, and you connect the peripherals, as I said, via Bluetooth to your phone. And in that way, you're ready to go. You still have kind of a semi-computer, or as good as a Chromebook, on the side from this phone because it has enough power. So that's all I can say. And I couldn't hold myself but say, can your iPhone do this?
Double dongle, I guess. That sounds explicit.
Just a joke. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching this video. And if you don't mind to hit like and subscribe and tell people about it. Tell your friends, tell whoever you like. That would be very much appreciated. And with that said, that's all I had to say. Bye!